how to pick the right hard money lender for you. Getting funding was a major headache when I started real estate investing. They'd promise funding, they refused to fund on deals that I brought them. Plus, every hard money lender had their own ways they looked at things. Matter of fact, someone would say, I don't like that area, even though someone else would like the area. So the question is, what's gonna work best for you? Well, first off, let's just talk about the difference between hard money and traditional funding. Most people don't understand this. You see, traditional funding, like going to Bank of America or Wells Fargo or some big bank or credit union in your area, they are lending primarily on your ability to repay the loan. They're gonna look at your debt to income, which basically means how much you have coming in versus how much you have supposed to go out. They're gonna look at your cost of housing. They're gonna look at your credit score. They're gonna look at outstanding bills. They're gonna look at your job history and a whole bunch other things. What they're doing is putting all that data together, and they're statistically trying to decide what percentage chance there is that you're going to default. And based upon that, they make a determination if they're going to lend to you or not. These types of institutions actually get some backing. If you're getting an FHA loan, it's insured by the federal government. You're going to pay for that as a buyer. You're going to pay into that fund, which is going to help protect it if something goes wrong, to protect the lender in doing that, which is why traditional loans are at such low interest rates compared to hard money loans. Now, what is a hard money loan? Hard money loan looks at opposite. They're not saying what's your likelihood to repay. They're saying, is there enough value in this property that you could sell it and pay us off? So they're looking at the hard asset rather than looking at the soft assets, which is your ability to repay the loan. That's the difference. Also in that is hard money lenders do not have insurance for if the deal goes bad. They don't have backing from the federal government. They can't borrow against the feds for practically nothing. So it's private money. So it's a lot more expensive, but there's some benefits to that. One of those is the speed of funding, how fast they can actually make it happen. Two is they can fund on, hard money lenders can fund on properties that a general bank can't lend on. You see, if you're buying a property, they want to make sure that property, if you're going with a traditional lender, they want to make sure that property is inhabitable. They want to make sure that property is not going to need tens of thousands of dollars of more work, which would then put you in default and being able to repay the loan. So hard money lenders don't care about that, and they'll lend you the money to buy the property. Some of them will lend you the money to buy the property and to fix up the property, which is a big thing. The question is, a lot of people go out there and find properties, they take them to hard money lenders, and they don't do them. I think you should reverse that. You should find the hard money lender, ask that hard money lender what they'll do and what they won't do. And based upon that, go and do your shopping. Because you can go shop, but if nobody wants to fund your deal, you're wasting your time. A couple of things you probably want from a hard money lender is, it'd be a big bonus if they did some training. It'd be a big bonus if they had ongoing support. It'd be a big bonus if they had some software and some things you could work with. It'd be a big bonus if they had some tools and resources. A big bonus if they actually had tools that could help you be successful. Those are some things that I'd be looking for if I was looking for a hard money lender. But like I said before, you want to make sure you know what your hard money lender's willing to do long before you get a deal you want funding on. At Do Hard Money, we teach you how to find deals, we fund them, and we funding up to 100%. We've removed most barriers like credit scores and experience, and I'd love to see what we're all about. Come check out our website, click on the link on the screen to read more about our hard money loans and make it a very profitable day.